Good morning, class. Today, we are starting with the English language, and the name of the chapter is Pronouns. It is chapter 28, Pronouns. So, here in this chapter, we will learn about the various kinds of the pronoun. All of you must be familiar with the pronoun. What is a pronoun? It is a part of speech and the words which are used in place of noun are known as the pronoun. For example, Rohan studies in class 6. Then he is an intelligent boy. So, in the first sentence, I have used the name Rohan, studies in class 6. Now, in the second sentence, also we are talking about Rohan only. He is an intelligent boy. Who is? Rohan. Rohan is an intelligent boy. But here, instead of writing Rohan again, we have used the word he. And what is he? He is a pronoun. So, the words which are used in place of noun are known as the pronouns. Now, today what we are going to discuss is the types of pronoun. So, in the types of pronoun, first we are going to discuss about the personal pronoun. The first type of the pronoun is the personal pronoun. Now, what is the personal pronoun? The words like I, you, we, he, she, they, all these are called the personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? I, he, she, we, they. All these words, all these pronouns are known as the personal pronouns. But the personal pronouns are further divided into three categories. What are the three categories? The first person, second person,
and the third person.
and third person. So these are the three categories in which the personal pronoun is further subdivided. What is the first person pronoun? Means first person refers to the speaker. If I am telling something to you, then I am the first person. So the first person pronoun refers to the speaker.
But showing is
The first person pronoun refers to the speaker. Next comes the second person. The second person pronoun refers to the person to whom we are talking or the one who is listening to us. That is the second person to whom the things are spoken to. And the third person pronoun is the pronoun or the person about which we are talking. Suppose you and me are talking about someone else, the third person. So that is why the one who is speaking is the first person, the one who is listening is the second person, and the one about whom the first person is speaking is known as the third person pronoun. So every form of the pronoun has its first person, second person and the third person. So a table is given here that I am going to discuss with you. This is person. Here this is singular and this is plural. Here these are further subdivided into subject and object. Here also subject and object. So this is the way the table is divided. Now here in the person, the first, what would be the first person in the singular? I. For the object, me. In the plural, it will be we, us. Then, the second, I. Whenever I am talking about the first person, means I am talking about the myself. So, it will be I. The second person, you. In the subject, it will be you. For the object, also it will be you. And in the plural, also for the subject and the object, it will be you only. In all the four categories, we will use you only. Now, for the third. Now, the number of pronouns will be more here in the third person because we can talk about the two people, the two person can talk about a number of people. So, for example, he will become him, the object, she will become her, and it will remain it only. And in case of plural, it will be they in the subject form, and in the object form, it will be them. So this is the way we use or practice the first person, second person, and third person in singular and plural, and also case of where we are using it as the subject or where we are using it as the object. All of you understand we have discussed about the tenses and here we have discussed a lot about the subject and the object. So all of you must be very well aware of what is the subject and what is the object. The subject in a sentence is what is doing, which is taking the action, which is responsible for taking the action, the verb is associated with. That is the subject of the sentence. So this is the way. Now how we can use all these in the how can we use? So now we are going to discuss the uses of this personal pronoun. The personal pronoun, we use subject pronouns as subjects before nouns. Means the pronouns which are used before the noun. For example, I helped Kishore, but he did not help me. Here in this sentence, it is used as the subject. I is the subject and it is the pronoun. So here I is used as the subject. So we have discussed in the table that the pronouns can be used as both the subjects and the objects. So this is one used as subject. Now, how else can we use it? We use object pronouns as object after verbs. We can use object pronouns as objects after the verbs. For example, how can we use it as the object? He likes me, but I don't like him. So here in this sentence, me and him. They here what we have found in the table that me and him are used as the objects. Me is the object of I and him is the object of he. So in this sentence, the pronouns are used, the personal pronouns are used as the objects and they are used after the verb. Here likes is also the verb and here also like is a verb. How else can we use it? We also used object pronouns after prepositions. The same object pronouns can also be used here. We have used them after the verbs. We can also use them after the prepositions. How can we use them after the prepositions? He smiled at me. Now, me is the object, personal pronoun, at is the preposition. So here, the personal pronoun, the object personal pronoun is used after the preposition. So this is one more way that we can use the pronoun. The next where we can use object pronoun after be. After be. Be means am, is, are, was, were. We can also use the object pronouns after all these words. For example, if someone is asking, who is that? Means suppose you are knocking the door at someone's place and someone asks you, who is that? So what would be your answer? The answer would be, it's me. What is it's? It is. So we can also use the object pronouns after be. We write it as be, but it has various forms as am, is, are, was, were. All these are the forms of be. So this is one more way we use the object personal pronoun. Now, object pronouns can also be used after then and as in comparison. The one more use is after, then, and as. How can we use them after then and as? I am older than him. This is the first person pronoun, this is the object, this is the subject, this is the object. And then we use than for showing the comparison between the two things. So here we have used the object personal pronoun after then. This is also one way we can use it. One more way when we will use it as. We can also use as for showing the comparison or the similarity. He is as tall as me. Means the height of both the girls is almost equal. So we can write it in this way. She is as tall as me. So here this is the object pronoun and we have used as. So this object pronoun is used just after the as. These are some of the examples in which we can use the personal pronoun either in the form of the subject or in the form of the object.